show you if I can. Okay, here's the fish. Look at how beautiful it is. Ooh, you.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to cook a curry fish head. As you can see from here, I have a half snapper fish head here. This is probably a cut out from a 1.5 kg snapper fish. Actually, I kind of chosen the wrong parts because this is actually the part where it doesn't have the middle bone. So later when I cook, I have to be extra careful. If not, all the meat can disintegrate very easily or can break off very easily. So I have to be very gentle tonight. Besides the fish, we have I have some veggie and fried fuzu. This is tau pok, and this is cabbage, and I have few pieces of tomato chunks inside here. So these are all my family favorite. The best thing about home cooking is you put in ingredient that your family likes to eat. Yeah, so it's your choice. Then we will be needing some this one. So I have this is to make the curry paste. I have approximately half or a quarter of yellow onion chopped. This is one shallot slice. This is some ginger minced, garlic also minced, and fresh coriander roots also minced. So here we have few types of powders mixing together to become curry fish powder. I have 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of this is the ready mix fish curry powder, and also 1 tablespoon of this is fresh coriander powder. I'm sorry, coriander powders, not fresh coriander powders. How can it be fresh? Oh my god. And last but not least, we will need some santan, yeah, coconut milk, and I'll be using some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder where you can get it from Shopee Singapore and Malaysia. No MSG, no preservative. Right, we're going to give it some oil. Actually, we start with quite a lot of oil. Anything with curry or chili paste, you will need a lot of oil, yeah, because all the curry powders and everything will soak out the oil very, very easily. So we start with sauteing the fresh ingredient here, all the fresh herbs. Saute this for 2-3 minutes before we continue. Actually, the yellow onion is very important here. It will help to actually make your curry sweeter. Very important. This is after about 2 or 3 minutes sauteing. You don't have to really brown anything here. Then next thing is you have to lower down the temperature to medium low at least, because this is the time we are going to add in the curry powders. Mixed curry powders can get burnt extremely easy, so make sure you always lower down the heat before you add it, yeah, into the wok. Then as you start sauteing, you can then slowly raise the temperature to probably about medium to medium high. Probably medium is a better idea, because you, like I said, you don't want to burn your curry powders. So keep on sauteing this using medium heat for a couple of minutes before we continue. Some will actually saute this until until the oil started to break. Keep on sauteing and stirring, yeah? If not, it can really get burnt. Once your curry get burnt, then your whole curry will become bitter. You'll be spoiled. So don't be too hasty. Do it slowly using medium heat. Slowly saute your curry powder nicely for 3 to 5 minutes at least. If you find your curry powder too dry, feel free to add in more oil here. To me, this is quite okay. I don't have to add in any extra oil. Notice today I don't have curry leaves. Why? Because I went to the supermarket this morning and I saw the curry leaves where I used to pay about 99 cents ringgit Malaysia per packet. After Chinese New Year, it is 1 ringgit 59 cent. Suddenly, I don't feel like buying, so I don't have curry leaves today. But still, with all these curry powders, it still will taste superb. As you can see from here, this is after about 3 to 4 minutes sauteing. The curry has becoming darker in color. Now I'm going to add in some hot water. I'm going to turn the hot water into chicken stock immediately by adding my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder. Give it about 1 teaspoon. 2 seconds. It is now chicken stock. Now we can raise the heat. This is after it is boiling for about 2-3 minutes. Why I let it boil for 2-3 minutes is because I would like the chicken stock to be nicely infused with the curry flavor, yeah? I'm going to cook the fish and the veggie probably separately. I haven't decided yet, but I'm going to put in the cabbage first. The tomato chunks. The tau pok. Probably fu zhup. I'll do it towards the end. Should I put in the fish right now? Well, why not? I just have to be a bit careful and be very gentle with my fish. Because I choose the wrong half. I did marinate my fish, sprinkle it with a little bit of salt. Yeah. Let's put in the fish. Let me adjust. Let's all live in harmony. Oh, by the way, actually we should have seasoned the curry now with some salt, yeah, to give it some saltiness, so that this saltiness can go into your tofu and veggie and also the fish. Probably about 1 to 2 teaspoons to start with. I'm giving it a little bit of light. This is fish sauce, yeah, fish sauce. Let's close the lid, tune down to medium-low, and let it cook for at least about 5 minutes. Alright, this is after about 5-6 minutes. Medium heat. The fish should be cooked. I just need to be very carefully move the fish over to my serving plate while I continue doing the rest, cooking the rest of the ingredient here. Let me show you if I can. Okay, here's the fish. Look at how beautiful it is. Ooh, you. So now, I'm going to lower down the heat here. Adding in the coconut milk. Some restaurants will add in half coconut milk and also half evaporated milk. Up to you. Now we can raise the heat a little bit. Some people is very skeptical when it comes to cooking coconut milk because they're worried that the coconut milk and the oil will actually separate. Actually, it won't separate so easily one. So don't get worried too much. Yeah. Now I'm adding in the fried fu zhup. This will take a little bit. It won't take very long to cook. And I also have a spare, very small grouper fish head here. I'm going to add in also. This is something extra. Oh, of course now you can still adjust to taste, yeah? Just now I forgot to put in a bit of sugar. After the salt, you should actually put in some sugar after the salt, yeah? So later, before serving, you still can adjust to taste using your salt and also sugar. A very cute grouper fish head. Let it cook for maybe about 3 minutes, then it is done. So this is after another 2 to 3 minutes. Let me off the fire first. I can really smell the coconut milk. Look at how creamy it is. Just want to have a taste so that I can adjust the saltiness. Oh, nice. I don't mind giving a little bit more sugar. And a bit of fish sauce. It's done. We are ready to serve. So here's our beautiful fish head. Going to bundle this with my veggie and also fuzu and tofu pork. Oh, tofu pork already soak out all the nice flavor from the curry. Right, try to let you see my fish a little bit. And here's some fresh coriander on top. Done. So here's Appa, very simple curry fish head. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.